Carmarthen Town, the place to be, but only if you're 83, or a child, but not a teen. There's nothing much more for those in between. Not much to do, not much to say. So when you grow, just go away. Then come back when you get old. Then you can bitch and moan. But hey, it's time to change our ways. Include everyone of every age. So please come out and join with me. Let's make Carmarthen truly happy with lots of things to see and do. Lots of entertainment for me and you. A new beginning for this town to turn its frown upside down.
The Towie in Carmarthen is tidal. Twice daily the sea moves up into the land. Sometimes seals chase fish far up the river to the bridge. Sometimes the river spills over, soaking the meadows, sloshing over streets, seeping into houses. This is where Carmarthen sits, in the in-between.
When I wrote it, I was very taken by the houses in Park Hall and the early morning sun just spangling on those windows. And then on the 29th of July, I had the chance to have the day in Park Hall. So the first line and the kind of setting of it comes from the privilege of being in Park Hall rather than looking at it from the other side. So this is Park Hall. We are bows of houses, hyphenated words, written, built, spoken, calling high above town. Our eyes spangled by all-day sun, gaze from Merlin's Hill to St. Peter's Tower, thread King Street to County Hall, over to Tesco, the Towie, Trinity Fields. Slow down, slow down, slow down! For children's safety, slow down. Make our roads one way to traffic. Up Park Hall, down Belvedere, slow down. Up Park Hall, down Belvedere, slow down. For children running, learner drivers reversing, older people shuffling, mothers pushing buggies, toddlers and babies overflowing. Slow down, slow down, slow down. For children's safety, slow down.
Weithiau, wi'n gallu gweld y sêr fan hyn. Sa'n cofio gweld nhw unwaith yn Gaerdydd. So sych chi moyn USP, rhywbeth sydd yn rhoi gyfyrddin ar wahân i trefoedd y dinasoedd Cymru. So mae hwnna'n un peth. Gallu gweld y sêr yma, mi'n nos. There used to be a good carvery halfway between Carmarthen and Llandeilo. It was roughly halfway, but it changed hands. Oh, it was good. I loved going there. It was halfway between, what was it called again? The halfway. Wait, just say hwnna tua 5 o weithiau. Halfway it was. What was it called? The halfway? Halfway, that was it.